Light coating to as much as 2.5 to 3 inches of accumulation. That now by the boards, and what that sets us up with is basically being in between systems, minus some snow showers up north until the next system arrives late Thursday night and into Friday. It also means temperatures mainly in the 30s with some mid and upper 20s up north over the next couple of afternoons. Today it will be with a northerly breeze that will continue to dry things out. Temperatures above freezing in southern areas for a time during the afternoon. And then from there, we are expecting temperatures to continue to cool off, single digits and teens tonight. And then we're back into the lower half of the 30s for the day on Tuesday. A couple of snow showers continuing to wander around up north. Beyond that, a brisk wind for Wednesday, gusting over 30 miles an hour. A much lighter wind on Thursday with partial sunshine giving way to clouds. And that next system on Friday really is going to depend on the track and how much cold air can linger around as that next system approaches. That'll be the difference between rain and snow. Should push away in time for the weekend.